This is going to be a video tutorial on how to reset the default cursor settings in Windows 10. Let me jump over to my desktop here. I am on my desktop now. To reset your cursor settings back to default, first thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go down to the lower left-hand corner, down to my little start icon. I'm going to right-click on that. Then I'm going to go up to where it says Settings, and I'm going to click on Settings. Now in the little dialog box that opens up, you want to go to the one that says Devices and click on Devices. Then on the pane off to the left-hand side, you want to go to where it says Mouse and click on Mouse. Then you want to scroll down a little ways, down to where you see it says in the Related Settings area, Additional Mouse Options. You want to click on Additional Mouse Options. That will open up a little dialog box, and in this little dialog box, these tabs that go across the top, you want to click on the one that says Pointers. Then you'll go down, and right down here it says Use Default. Click on Use Default. Then you would click on Apply, and then you would click on OK. That is how to reset your mouse cursor settings back to default in Windows 10. Thanks for watching.